Welcome to our guide on avoiding common coding mistakes. Coding errors are more prevalent than you might think, even among seasoned developers. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial for enhancing your programming skills. In this video, we'll explore some of the most common mistakes and offer practical solutions. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to code more effectively and efficiently. So, if you're an Indian coding enthusiast looking to elevate your craft, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and discover how to navigate the world of coding with confidence, starting with variable scope. Welcome to our first coding pitfall, misunderstanding variable scope. Imagine your code behaving unpredictably. Frustrating, right? This often stems from not clearly defining the scope of your variables. Variable scope determines where a variable is accessible within your code. Mismanage this, and you might face bugs that are hard to trace and fix. Consider this scenario. A variable declared inside a function is only accessible within that function. Mistakenly treating it as global can cause your program to crash or malfunction. The solution? Distinguish between local and global variables. Keep your variables in check by declaring them appropriately. Local variables should remain within their function, while global variables can be accessed anywhere in your code. By mastering variable scope, you ensure that your code is not only functional, but also efficient. This understanding forms the bedrock of robust programming practices and saves you time in debugging later on. So remember, clarity in scope leads to clarity in code. Now let's move on to our next common mistake, incorrect loop usage. Now let's delve into mistake number 2. Incorrect loop usage. Loops are essential tools in programming, but they can be a double-edged sword. When used improperly, they may result in infinite loops, which can halt your program entirely. This is a common error many programmers encounter. Often, it's a matter of poorly defined loop conditions or not incrementing correctly within the loop. These mistakes can lead to programs that run endlessly or fail to achieve their intended tasks, causing frustration and wasted time. To avoid this, always ensure your loop conditions are precise and that your loops have a clear termination point. Efficiently using loops means checking your logic thoroughly and understanding the flow of your program. By mastering this skill, you'll prevent unnecessary iterations and improve your code's performance. As we continue, remember that understanding and applying these principles will empower you to write cleaner, more efficient code. Stay with us as we explore the next coding pitfall. Ignoring error handling can be a major oversight in your coding journey. It's crucial to understand that effective error handling prevents your program from crashing unexpectedly. Think about the times you've encountered an error message that left you puzzled. This is often due to inadequate error handling. Common mistakes include neglecting to anticipate user inputs or unexpected conditions that might arise during execution. If these are not addressed, it can lead to frustrating program failures. To tackle this, implement robust error handling techniques. Prepare your code to handle exceptions gracefully, ensuring it can recover and continue running smoothly. By doing so, you not only enhance the reliability of your applications, but also improve user experience by providing meaningful feedback when things go wrong. Remember, a well-handled error is an opportunity to learn and improve. So don't ignore error handling. It's a key skill that sets proficient programmers apart. Next, we'll explore another common pitfall, writing unoptimized code. Welcome back, fellow coders. Let's dive into mistake number 4, writing unoptimized code. Have you ever noticed your applications running slower than expected? Often, the culprit is unoptimized code bogging down performance. It's crucial to recognize the signs of inefficiency, like excessive processing time or memory usage. These issues can seriously hamper your application's speed and responsiveness. How do we tackle this problem? The solution lies in optimization. Aim for clean, efficient code. Streamline your logic, reduce redundancy, and make use of efficient algorithms. This not only enhances performance, but also makes your code easier to maintain and scale. Remember, writing optimized code is not just about performance. It's about creating a seamless user experience and making your application stand out in a competitive field. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we summarize our journey through common coding pitfalls and solidify the lessons learned. Let's recap what we've learned today. First, we discussed the importance of understanding variable scope to avoid unexpected behaviors in your code. Then, we highlighted how correct loop usage can prevent infinite iterations that bog down your programs. Remember, robust error handling is crucial to maintaining program reliability and preventing crashes. We also explored the significance of optimizing code to enhance performance and efficiency. By addressing these common mistakes, you'll significantly improve your coding skills. Now it's your turn to apply these tips. As you code, keep these lessons in mind to write cleaner, more efficient programs. And don't stop here. Continue learning and challenging yourself. The world of coding is vast and ever-evolving, offering endless opportunities for growth and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey to becoming a better coder. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, every mistake is a stepping stone towards mastery. Until next time, happy coding.